Nagaserbe nga kasanag sa dunga sang kadulom kag paglaum sa dunga sang desperasyon kag ang pagkabun-ag ni Jesucristo. Ining sentro sang mensahe ni Most Reverend Medifil Billones D.D., Archbishop of Haro, kadungan sang pagselebrar sang Paskwa. Suno kay Archbishop Billones, pagi sa pagkabunag ni Jesucristo, may kasanag sa kabuhi sa mga nadulman, may sabat sa tuman kadamo nga mga pamangkot sang katawan, kag may inspirasyon sa dunga sang desperasyon. Ang adlaw sang Paskwa suno kay Archbishop Billones, naghatag sang kayganan nga mahangpan sa matawa matuod nga kahulugan sang pagpalangga. Suno saya kung tani tugutan sang tanan nga maghatag sang kasanag sa ila kabuhi ang pagkabunag ni Jesucristo.
Today, more than ever, we have more questions than answers. Wherever we look, more frustration than elation. Whichever we turn, more darkness than illumination. What then is the sense of Christmas celebration? Strange to admit, for as it is today, it was the same in the ancient past. The people are covered in deep darkness, suffering against a never-ending evil, struggling with despair and meaning. Yet a light shone in the darkness from the Gospel of Luke. Where does it emanate? In the manger glowing from the sacred babe. From whom does it radiate? From Jesus of Nazareth, our God incarnate. If darkness casts a shadow, light casts a luminous glow, a glow that illumines the past, present, and tomorrow. In the glow of His saving grace from Bethlehem, may your darkness turn into illumination. In the warmth of His sweet smile, may your frustration turn into inspiration. In the radiance of His person, may your question turn into revelation. In the face of pervasive sin, may you discover true love and redemption. And in doing so, be amazed that the sun forever shines from within. Christmas is here. Christ is here with us. Let His light shine upon our darkness.